All right, y'all, common misconception. If I get my credit pulled for a mortgage, it's gonna drop my credit score. That is typically not the case. At most, a mortgage credit inquiry will drop your score 5 points, but often it won't drop it at all. Pulling your credit for a mortgage is not like pulling your credit for an auto loan or a credit card or a consumer finance or something like, let's just say, Home Depot card. It is not gonna negatively impact your credit, and you can actually have your credit pulled as many times as we want in a 30-day window, and it only counts as one mortgage inquiry. So, if you've had your mortgage credit report pulled and you want to talk to another lender, that's okay. And if you want to get qualified, we need to do that. Hey, check it out. Like going to your lender and saying, I don't want you to pull my credit, but I want you to tell me what we qualify for. It's kind of like walking to your doctor and say, hey, I broke my arm, but you can't do an x-ray, throw me in a cast. It's just something we have to do. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have the impact that I think most clients thinks that it does. Hope that helps. Have a blessed day, y'all. Take care.